Alright, so you want to learn how to draw Gojo Satoru, one of the coolest characters from the anime series Jujutsu Kaisen, right? Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own masterpiece of Gojo Satoru. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the materials you'll need for this drawing. Make sure to grab some paper, pencils, and an eraser. If you have some basic drawing skills, that will definitely come in handy. Now, let's break down the drawing process into simple steps. We'll start by sketching out basic shapes to outline Gojo Satoru's face and hair. Then, we'll gradually add details to create a realistic portrait of him. It may seem challenging at first, but trust me, you can do it. In the demonstration part, I'll show you each step of the drawing process on screen. I'll explain the techniques and methods I use to achieve the desired result, so make sure to pay close attention and follow along. As we go through the tutorial, I'll also share some tips and best practices to help you improve your drawing. We'll talk about shading, proportions, and how to capture Gojo Satoru's unique features to make your drawing stand out. Now, let's address some common issues you might encounter while drawing, such as incorrect proportions or shading mistakes. I'll provide you with solutions to fix these problems so that you can keep improving your skills. In conclusion, I'll summarize the key steps we covered in this tutorial and showcase the final drawing of Gojo Satoru. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to keep practicing and honing your skills. Lastly, I encourage you to try out this drawing tutorial and share your creations on social media using a specific hashtag. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more drawing tutorials in the future. I can't wait to see what you create. We will start by drawing his blindfold, then the nose, his furious smile, and the jawline. The jaw will be 1 centimeter below the circle. Now I will fix the blindfold, then the jaw after that we will draw the ears. So you can see I am having trouble drawing his jawline, so I will fix blindfold to fix the jawline. If you're still watching, then subscribe, like, and share the video with your friends so they can also create masterpieces like this one. So now we made the jawline, fixed the blindfold, now let's draw the ears. Now we will draw the blindfold complete. So the blindfold is done. Now let's move to draw his majestic hairs.
情状的感情が来でいく爆破順々に従った結果の罰視線確かない愛に蒸気声も出せないまま悪屈な誓いのなき百役を味ずつなぎなくの果てまでも極楽往生現実決定ないで命を投げ出さないで血の脆さに浸ってどんな顔すればいいかわからないよ今はただ答えてくれよ五条は大変五条は大変不確かな声をするぐらいで演奏させて回る感情線その先に今立ち上がれてただ追いかけてただ追いかけて誰よりも強くありたいこれが君の運命する今はただこの未来よりの底に深く深く落ち込んで学校に見えたかいこれが今の僕なんだ何者にもなれないだけの屍た笑いを目の前の捨ててから逃げることさえやめたイメージを繰り返し想像の先を追いけた闇を払って闇を払って夜の帳が降りたら合図だ
Now we are going to draw his Samyu, the black uniform he wears. So now the sketching part is done, let's ink the drawing. So the inking is done, let's grab our black pencil in a gray color, so let's color the drawing. So I will use a pencil to color the gray shaded area in the mask and the uniform. So now I will use a black color pencil to color the blindfold and the uniform.
ることさえやめたイメージを繰り返し想像の先を行けど闇を払って闇を払って夜の帳が降りたら合図だ愛回して回る感情線誰事などは吐き捨ていけどまだ止めないでまだ止めないで誰よりもさときある街にまるしこの正体を今はただ呪われた僕の未来を想像して走って転んで消えない短大では世界が待ってるこの一瞬を
うぞうぞ人の名に強制し精進外刃物の毛みたいだ巨神高い命宿はパッパラパ中身なき人間
寄せ期待不平等な人生才能もない大上非日常がお心平等に没個性たどりよ僕に居場所などないから夢のはずまで泣いてないでどんな顔すればいいか分かってるだけどまだ答えてくれ闇を払って闇を払って夜の帳が降りたら合図だ愛返して回る感情線誰事などは吐き捨ていけたまだ止めないでまだ止めないで誰よりもさとかる街にまるしこの正体を今はただ呪われた僕の未来を想像して走って転んで消えない痛みでいけば世界が待ってるこの一瞬を情状的感情が来でいく爆破順々に従った血管の罰視線確かない愛に無情気声も出せないまま悪屈な誓いのなき百役を術つなぎなくの果てまでも極楽往生現実決定ないで命を投げ出さないでうちの脆さに浸ってどんな顔すればいいか分からないよ今はただ答えてくれよ五条は大抵五条は大抵不確かな声をするぐらいでそうさせて回る
Now I will shade to the hair using the pencil.
立ち上がれてただ追いかけただ追いかけ誰よりも強くありたいこれが君の運命すら今はただこのぐらい夜の底に深く落ち込んで
And we are done, everybody. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this masterpiece with your friends.